How to activate TD Cash Credit Card. Before you can use your new card, you will need to activate it. I'll show you the quickest and easiest ways to activate your TD Cash Credit Card so you can start using it right away. Let's dive in. The fastest way to activate your TD Cash Credit Card is online. Go to the official TD Bank website, launch your preferred browser, then type in td.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now click on the option of Login. Select the option of Online Banking. You will be directed to the login page. Now provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Card section and you should see an option to activate your new card. Follow the on-screen prompts, enter your card details and your card will be activated instantly. You can also activate your TD Cash Credit Card by phone. Look for the activation number provided on the sticker attached to your new card or in the accompanying paperwork. Call the number and you'll be prompted to enter your card number, the last 4 digits of your social security number and possible other verification details. Follow the automated instructions and your card will be activated. If you prefer a face-to-face activation, you can visit your nearest TD Bank branch. Bring your new credit card and a valid ID and a bank representative will help you activate your card in person. And that's how you can activate your TD Cash Credit Card. With these simple steps, you can quickly activate your card and start enjoying the cashback rewards on all your purchases. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.